Have you ever wondered what could happen to your body if you incorporated chia seeds into your daily diet? Chia seeds have gained significant attention in recent years for their remarkable health benefits. These tiny, nutrient-dense seeds are packed with essential nutrients like fiber, protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants, making them a superfood that can improve overall health and well-being. Eating chia seeds every day for a week can have transformative effects on your body, providing benefits ranging from enhanced digestion to improved heart health, better skin, and much more. If you've been considering adding chia seeds to your diet, or if you simply want to know more about the possible health benefits of doing so, get ready to discover what could happen if you consume chia seeds daily for a week. When you begin eating chia seeds regularly, one of the most immediate effects is a boost in your energy levels. Chia seeds are an excellent source of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates, and these nutrients can provide long-lasting energy. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein allows your body to utilize energy more efficiently, making you feel more energized throughout the day. Unlike sugary snacks or processed foods that can cause a quick energy spike followed by a crash, chia seeds offer a slow-releasing source of energy. This is especially beneficial for individuals who struggle with energy dips or fatigue throughout the day. Whether you're working, exercising, or taking care of daily tasks, consuming chia seeds can help keep you more focused and active with sustained energy. In addition to boosting your energy, eating chia seeds every day can have a positive impact on your digestion. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which has the ability to absorb water and form a gel-like substance. This gel-like consistency helps move waste through the digestive tract more easily, promoting regular bowel movements. This is especially important for individuals who suffer from constipation or irregular digestion. Fiber also acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial bacteria in your gut, which helps to maintain a healthy microbiome. A healthy gut is essential for overall health, as it plays a crucial role in nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health. Over the course of a week, you may notice that your digestive system feels more balanced and efficient, with fewer bloating or discomforts associated with digestion. Another surprising benefit of chia seeds is their ability to support hydration. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. When you soak chia seeds in water, they form a thick gel-like substance that can help keep you hydrated for longer periods of time. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who struggle with hydration, as the high water content in chia seeds can help maintain proper fluid balance in your body. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining optimal bodily functions, including temperature regulation, joint lubrication, and the elimination of toxins. As you incorporate chia seeds into your diet, you may find that you feel more hydrated and less prone to dehydration, especially if you lead an active lifestyle or live in a hot climate. If you're looking to manage your weight or improve your relationship with food, chia seeds can play a supportive role in weight loss and appetite control. Chia seeds are high in fiber and protein, which are both known for their ability to promote feelings of fullness and satiety. This means that by eating chia seeds, you may feel fuller for longer periods, reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking between meals. The high fiber content in chia seeds also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings for unhealthy foods. Additionally, chia seeds are low in calories, yet nutrient-dense, making them a perfect addition to a weight-conscious diet. If you consume chia seeds as part of a healthy and balanced meal plan, you may find that you naturally reduce your overall calorie intake while still feeling satisfied. Chia seeds also have a significant impact on blood sugar regulation. Because they have a low glycemic index, chia seeds do not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar after consumption. Instead, they help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is important for maintaining steady energy levels and preventing energy crashes. For individuals with diabetes, chia seeds can be a helpful food to include in a balanced diet, as they have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of complications associated with high blood sugar levels. Even for those without diabetes, keeping blood sugar levels stable can help prevent the development of insulin resistance and the onset of type 2 diabetes. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. One of the most powerful benefits of chia seeds is their positive impact on heart health. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, (YLA). Omega-3s are known for their ability to reduce inflammation in the body, and inflammation is a key contributor to many chronic health conditions, including heart disease. By reducing inflammation, chia seeds can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that regular consumption of omega-3s can help lower the risk of heart disease by reducing plaque buildup in the arteries and improving blood flow. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can therefore contribute to a healthier heart, especially if combined with other heart-healthy foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. In addition to supporting heart health, chia seeds can also promote stronger bones. Chia seeds are an excellent plant-based source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are essential for maintaining healthy bones. Calcium is particularly important for bone density and preventing osteoporosis, while magnesium plays a key role in bone formation and the proper functioning of muscles. By including chia seeds in your daily diet, you provide your body with the necessary nutrients to support bone strength and density. This is especially important as you age, as bone density naturally declines over time. Regular consumption of chia seeds may help maintain stronger bones and reduce the risk of fractures and osteoporosis in later life. Chia seeds also offer significant antioxidant properties. These small seeds are loaded with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to cellular damage and the development of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. The antioxidants in chia seeds, such as flavonoids and polyphenol, can help neutralize these harmful molecules, reducing oxidative damage and supporting overall health. By eating chia seeds every day, you can give your body an extra boost of protection against cellular damage, which can contribute to healthier aging and a reduced risk of disease. Beyond their internal health benefits, chia seeds can also improve the appearance of your skin. The omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds are essential for maintaining healthy skin, as they help retain moisture and reduce inflammation. Dry, irritated skin can often benefit from increased omega-3 intake, as these healthy fats help improve skin hydration and elasticity. The antioxidants in chia seeds also help protect the skin from UV damage and environmental stressors, preventing premature aging and the formation of wrinkles. If you consume chia seeds daily, you may notice improvements in your skin's texture, with a more hydrated and youthful appearance. One of the lesser-known benefits of chia seeds is their potential to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health issues, including arthritis, autoimmune diseases, and even mental health conditions like depression and anxiety. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in chia seeds work together to combat inflammation and reduce oxidative stress. By eating chia seeds every day, you may notice a reduction in joint pain, stiffness, and discomfort, especially if you suffer from conditions like arthritis. Furthermore, the reduction in inflammation may also benefit your mental health, as inflammation has been shown to contribute to mood disorders. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet can be easy and versatile. One of the simplest ways to enjoy chia seeds is by soaking them in water or milk overnight to create a pudding-like consistency. This chia pudding can be flavored with vanilla, cinnamon, or other spices, and it makes for a healthy, filling breakfast or snack. You can also add chia seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, salads, and baked goods, or sprinkle them on top of yogurt, fruit, or avocado toast for an added nutritional boost. Because chia seeds have a neutral flavor, they can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes without altering the taste. However, it's important to remember that chia seeds are high in fiber, and it's crucial to drink plenty of water when consuming them. If you're not accustomed to a high-fiber diet, it's a good idea to gradually increase your chia seed intake to avoid digestive discomfort. Make sure to start with small portions and allow your body time to adjust. In conclusion, eating chia seeds for just 1 week can bring about a range of impressive health benefits. From boosting energy levels and improving digestion to supporting heart health, weight loss, and even skin health, chia seeds are a true superfood that can make a positive impact on your body. By incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet, you can experience increased energy, better hydration, improved digestion, and a greater sense of overall well-being. Whether you're looking to enhance your athletic performance, support weight management, or simply improve your daily nutrition, chia seeds are an easy and effective addition to your diet that can help you achieve your health goals. So why not give them a try for a week and see the difference for yourself? Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.